Alright guys, welcome to Auntie.com. I'm going to show you how fun and easy it is to work with Silhouette Studio and our designs and SVGs when you are a member. If you're not a member, this is a good video to kind of see a little bit of how our SVGs work and a little backstage of our website. So if you're not a member and you've never seen some of these, you'll get to see one of our pages. We have lots of pages. So I have the design edition of Silhouette Studio, which makes designing really fun. And if you're interested in design, I highly suggest Silhouette Studio. It's just super fun and friendly and fast to learn in the design world, and it's $100 and it's yours for life. I believe there are coupon codes. I'm still looking, but I'll make sure we get one that doesn't expire. As also trying to see if we can get one that we can just offer you guys all the time. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to Disney. It's going to scroll me all the way down to the bottom of the page on the home page, because if you didn't know, you can come down here to find all of our Disney categories. I'm going to go into classic characters, and we are going to go down to one of our most favorite SVG bundles, which is the Marie bundle. And I'm actually going to piggyback off this video with a pattern-filled SVG video, so you won't want to miss that if you love this little SVG. Okay, so I'm going to click this, and all of our SVGs are one-click download, and this is actually a bundle. So your SVGs should go into your downloads. There are a few different ways to get there, but on a Mac, it's usually on your sidebar. But if you're using Google Chrome, it also comes down here into the bottom, and I could double click this. So you do have to open your SVG, so you can right click open, or you can double click open. And I've already done it, so now I'm gonna have two. But we've got the Marie bundle, and this is what it looks like. Here is why I also fell in love with Silhouette Studio, which is all the things I'm starting with in this series. This is why right here. You guys know how long it takes to upload to Cricut Design Space. This is how long it takes to upload to Silhouette Studio. So game changer, right? I started with bundles because it took so long to upload into Silhouette or into Cricut Design Space. But when I learned this, I was like, wow, I don't really care if my SVGs are in bundles anymore. So I'm just going to go in and delete the ones I don't want to use at the moment. And if you wanted to use these for stickers, like these would be super easy and fun and cute. So this guy is definitely our number one SVG that everyone loves, but it's also because you guys have seen me use it in a video. So I'm going to start trying to bring a lot of my projects to life so that you guys can start getting more excited about some of these SVGs. And that is literally how easy it is to bring an SVG into Silhouette Studio, as long as you have any of the design programs that support SVG importing and exporting. So make sure to watch the first video of this series if you're not sure. Also, the next video is going to be me playing with this SVG with pattern fills and turning it into sublimation. So if you're interested in that, watch the next video. It'll be called Turning SVGs into Sublimation. Love you guys. Bye.